Hey everyone, it's Mayplays here, and I just got done doing some crazy merch. So yeah, guys, go buy that merch, and yeah, do it. Who wouldn't? And no, this is not for the giveaway. So you only have like 3 days to get this. They're $20, $1. I'm pretty crazy about that, guys. About the $1. I'm here with my I'm at my fidget spinner. So yeah, guys, we're gonna actually do one of those videos, how you make your own merch. So yeah, but guys, without forward, let's do it. Right, so you would have to have like a laptop or something, anything. So then you go to Teespring. You have to sign up or log in if you're already in there. So go to Teespring T-shirt, and then you click the first thing. Sometimes this doesn't work. You gotta double click. Now, all right, there we go. So then you gotta go here, start the. Oh God, I can't say these words right now. I'm so sick. So you start that, and then guys, you go. Here's the things that you can start off with, like shirts, towels, purses, or whatever you want. So I'm gonna be making just a regular shirt anyone can wear. So yeah, guys, without further ado, let's do it. So you would have to go here, and guys, right here where it says $10.22, that's not what it says. Like, that's not how much you have to spend on this. This is free. That's just how much you have to go pay. Guys, you have to make more. You have to put the more money than that money right there. Okay. So then now you would want to choose like a color, red, black, any kind of color, guys. I'm gonna pick black because I like black a lot. So yeah, guys, and I'm gonna pick a red color. No, my thing froze. All right. So then you go like to here, like what kind of like you like. So then you gotta type in like your logo right here. So you go here, and I'm just gonna put mine. There we go. And then I'm gonna put mine in the corner, cause I don't want mine just like the stomach, cause I would look funny. Oh my God! What just happened to it? No. You need that bigger. What just happened? Alright, guys, I'm gonna have to redo that because that messed up. Alright, how do I delete this? Alright, so there's another thing, like if you want to buy it, like right here, you can buy it instead. But I'm not gonna do that because my mom will get mad at me. And also because I don't want to spend my money. So yeah, guys, just type in your name. I have to record with my phone because my GoPro's dead. So yeah, guys, you should really like and subscribe on this video because I'm using one hand for everything, and I'm like using this on a Dell laptop because I can, and nothing can stop me. So yeah, guys, next what you would want to do is like go on the back of it and then like customize it. Like you go to art, then you can upload your own or browse a network to put like emojis or something. Like I'm gonna put this on here. So yeah, then when you're done, you can go to sell this, and then you have to like pay, like go to $20. Oh no, The game froze again. Alright. So then you would go down to add style and oh crap. You have to go to all this. So then you gotta go next. So yeah guys, you have to like name the title and stuff. I'm not gonna do this. Well, I am gonna do this, but you're not gonna. Alright, so. So I'm just putting that, and then like you just put a description like. I'm just taking a long time. So then when you're done, you gotta go to the verification. Go here. I'm not a robot. And like you have to do traffic lights? No, I don't know. Like it would pick different ones every time. So yeah, verify. Oh wow, didn't work. I messed up on that one. Alright, vehicles. A lot of vehicles. There. More vehicles? Are you serious? There we go. And you launch. There you go, guys. Now that's how you do it. Now if you want to tune in on my next video, I'm gonna be a little sick, so I'm gonna be creating merch and I'm gonna be dead sleep. So yeah guys, I'm not gonna be uploading as much as I can. So yeah guys, but I will be streaming in the morning more because I did it today and I accidentally deleted it. So yeah guys, and peace.